Do you think President Marcos Jr. will survive until 2028?
I think for now, by all indications, he will. First, the major mobilizable force of the Duterte administration has kept silent, the Iglesia ni Cristo. This is major because Iglesia ni Cristo is the main mobilizable force of the Dutertes before. Second, the position of the Catholic Church to stick within the constitutional framework, to now not to throw the baby with the bathwater. Heightened criticism against corruption, heightened criticism for both the Dutertes and the Marcoses, but within the constitutional framework. I think that will remain in the next 2 years. Third is, as I said earlier, the military. For now, by all indications, the military won't support an installation of a pro-China political leader like Sara Duterte. And for now, I think they will hold within the constitutional system. So those three factors, of course, there's another. The fourth one is the diplomatic community, the international support. I think will not go to supporting an extra constitutional military junta or revolutionary government. But the major factor is also the military being loyal to the Constitution at this point.